In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the verification phone number in Mailchimp. This simple guide will take you through each step, ensuring that the process is both clear and efficient. Let's dive right in to make sure your account security is up to date. Start by heading over to the Mailchimp website. Here, you'll need to log in using your username and password. Don't forget to have your two-factor authentication device handy, as you may be prompted to complete this step for added security. This process makes sure that your account remains protected. Once you're logged in, draw your attention to the bottom left corner of your dashboard where you'll find your profile icon waiting. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Account and Billing. This is going to lead us into the management hub of your account where all the important settings are kept. The next step is to access the security settings, which are crucial for changing your verification phone number. Inside the account menu, you'll need to look for Settings and give that a click. From there, select Security. Here, under the two-factor authentication section, you'll notice your current phone number displayed. This is the number we are about to update. To change your phone number, look for an option that says Edit or Change located next to your current phone number. Click on it, and you'll be brought to a new screen where you can enter your new phone number. It's a straightforward process, but an important one for keeping everything secure. After entering your new phone number, Mailchimp will typically send a verification code to this number to ensure that it's you making the change. Be on the lookout for this SMS, as we need it for the final step. Once you receive the verification code, enter it into the designated field provided by Mailchimp. Finally, click Confirm. And just like that, your phone number has been successfully updated. Before we wrap up, I have a couple of additional tips for you. Be sure to use a phone number that can receive SMS messages to avoid any mishaps. If for any reason you can't access your old phone number and therefore can't log in to complete this change, you should use the account recovery option provided by Mailchimp or reach out to their support team for assistance. Following these steps ensures that your Mailchimp account remains secure with your updated contact information. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide useful. Don't forget to like this video if it was helpful and subscribe for more insightful content to make your digital life easier.